Hello everyone, I am Lasya A. I studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya School and at present I am in NTR Junior College and pursuing my intermediate. Postmortem of politics. First of all, what does the term postmortem mean? It means examination or autopsy. By examining present day politics, what does the outcome be like? Well, maybe not all the politicians have two faces, though not all the politicians are as pure as gold. Once a noble person said, "Judge the politicians by their actions rather than their promises." At present, citizens are unable to choose the appropriate leader to lead their own country. And this is all because of the dark secrets of the politicians which are out through their disloyal party members and has spread like wildfire. Bad politics does not only end with bad politicians, it also passes to the younger generations. Politics made politicians so cruel that they won't hesitate to assassinate their own political rivals. The rumors that are spread about the great leaders like Lal Bahadur Shastri has covered up as cardiac arrest. But it's hard to believe a brave heart dying of heart attack. What causes the death of politicians? The money or the position? I say both. Not all the politicians do what they have promised to do. Why does people think bad about politicians? Well, previous politicians made that impression by themselves and the mistake also continued by new politicians but didn't have a full stop. At present, few politicians do what they have to do but not at the peak point of their ability. Every time what happens is a politicians win and in the first 2 or 3 years he just enjoys his position. Later, in the fourth and fifth year, he just works on the 50% of the given words, but does not care about other 50% of the given words. And later, he makes citizens believe he will work upon it if they re-elect him, but does not care the new problems that has to arise like phoenix. For politicians, it doesn't matter what people think about them. The only thing that matters is the position and the money that can be bribed. If such politics continues, at a certain point there will be end of humanity. And one day it may cause a big disaster. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech saying that there are many matters that didn't come into light and maybe no one knows it yet. There is no end for bad politics. Not now and may not be then. Thank you. Thank you for such an honorable opportunity.